In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tags on Shopify, making your product listings cleaner and more organized. If you manage a Shopify store, you know how crucial it is to keep things tidy and efficient, and removing unnecessary or outdated tags can help streamline your operations. Firstly, let's ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing your online store, including products, orders, and analytics, and this is where you'll find almost everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. Now, once you're in the admin area, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side. This section houses all items you currently have for sale, from physical products to digital downloads. Clicking on this tab will take you to your product listings page. Here, you can see a comprehensive list of all your products. This view is incredibly useful as it gives you a snapshot of each item's essential details, such as name, price, and inventory levels. For the task at hand, you need to identify the specific product or products from which you want to remove tags. Click on the product name, and this action will direct you to the product's individual details page. This is where you have editorial access to change product descriptions, modify prices, update images, and yes, manage the tags associated with each product. View the tags section, which you can find typically beneath or next to the primary product information. Tags are keywords that help sort and categorize products within your shop. They also play a significant role in search engine optimization and product organization, so managing them is vital. To remove a tag, you'll want to click directly into the Tags field. From here, you'll see all existing tags associated with this product. Deleting a tag is simple. Just click the small X next to the tag you want to remove. This immediate action removes the tag, cleaning up any undesired association between the tag and the product. After you've deleted the necessary tag or tags, remember to scroll up or down and find the Save button. This is a critical step. If you skip saving, your changes won't apply, and those tags will linger on your products. And that's it. You've successfully removed tags from a product on Shopify. Keeping your tags updated not only helps you with internal organization but can also improve your customers' experiences by ensuring they find what they're looking for faster. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you make your Shopify store just a bit more efficient and organized today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for managing your online business. Have a great day!